Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you how to install Windows 10 on a Chromebook in a simple step-by-step way. But keep in mind, this process is advanced and may not work on all devices. First, you need to check if your Chromebook supports Windows installation. Not all models are compatible, so you should confirm your device is supported for firmware modification. Next, back up all your data because this process will completely erase your Chromebook. Now, you need to enable developer mode. Turn off your Chromebook, then press Escape, Refresh, and Power together. When the recovery screen appears, press Ctrl and D, then follow the instructions to enable developer mode. This will wipe your device and prepare it for deeper system changes. After that, you'll need to install custom firmware, often called UEFI firmware, which allows your Chromebook to boot Windows. To do this, open the terminal and run the required script from a trusted source, then follow the on-screen instructions carefully. Once the firmware is installed, create a bootable Windows 10 USB using another computer. You can use tools like Rufus to put the Windows ISO onto a USB drive. Now, insert the USB into your Chromebook, reboot it, and access the boot menu. Select the USB drive to start the Windows installer. Follow the installation steps just like a normal PC. Choose your storage and let Windows install. After installation, Windows will boot on your Chromebook. However, you may need to install drivers manually for things like keyboard, trackpad, and Wi-Fi to work properly. Finally, keep in mind that performance depends on your Chromebook's hardware, and some features may not work perfectly. So, installing Windows 10 on a Chromebook requires enabling developer mode, installing custom firmware, and using a bootable USB. But it should only be done if your device fully supports it and you understand the risks involved. Subscribe the channel for more videos.